Hello and welcome to the BIN2BEAN Training Series, designed especially for entrepreneurs and small businesses working in the biowaste to soil improvers value chain. My name is Sara Dagnotti and together with my colleague Giulia Cividini, we'll guide you through this new course focused on awareness raising and community engagement. This training has been prepared by Dr. Henning Frege, our partner in the BIN2BEAN project. We'll explore how to communicate effectively with different partners, from private households and municipalities as biowaste producers to farmers and industries as potential users of your products. When starting your business, it's essential to be well informed not only about your products and the market, but also about your customers' needs and the regulatory framework. Ideally, you should have a clear understanding of the entire value chain, where you fit, who the stakeholders are, and how the processes work, both upstream and downstream. This knowledge is a strong foundation for your business success. Many people have a general idea of what compost is, but when it comes to running a business, it's not that simple. Compost is used as a soil improver, but there are different ways to produce it, and many factors influence its quality and properties. The business framework, the steps in the value chain, and the roles of the different stakeholders are more complex than they might first appear. Let's take a quick look at the process. Organic waste comes from households and businesses and is collected by many people, most of whom you will never meet. This waste goes to specialized facilities where it's pre-sorted to ensure consistent quality. Operators then create optimal conditions for either anaerobic or aerobic processes, depending on the desired outcome. But even after composting, the output needs post-processing to become a soil improver that meets market standards and customers' needs. As you can see, there are many different steps and each involves different stakeholders with their own interests. This entire sector operates at a delicate interface between waste management and product creation, a space that requires careful coordination and communication. The aim of this course is to support you as an entrepreneur. You learn how to add value to organic waste, identify your place in the value chain, and communicate effectively with other stakeholders. Through the course, we'll cover the value of compost when applied to soil, how to ensure quality at various stages of the value chain, the overall structure of the value chain and how it's managed, the legislative framework and how it influences the valorization of organic waste, and finally, the different stakeholders involved, from citizens to farmers, and what motivates them. To make the most of this course, watch each video module. They are concise and practical, so you can fit learning into your daily schedule. Do not forget to download the support materials. Slides, glossaries, checklists, and helpful links are all provided to deepen your knowledge. Make sure also to take the final quiz. Completing the quiz will earn you a certificate of participation as a valuable asset for your professional journey. For this module, we have also prepared a terminology glossary. It explains key terms you'll encounter during the training. I encourage you to download it and keep it handy as you progress. Thank you for joining us in this journey. Let's begin!